This meeting is being recorded.
Yes, how can I call you? Could you please, hello, my name is Sunny. Could you please tell me your names?
Hello teacher, my name is Hong.
Hon, okay, Hong. So that's the name I can call you, Hon. Yes.
Yes. Sorry teacher, I can't hear you clearly.
Everybody, what about the rest of the students? Can you hear me well?
Yeah, I can hear you well.
Oh, yeah, maybe you can hear me well. Maybe, Hon, maybe it's something with your headphones. Maybe could you please adjust?
Now.
Okay, thank you. All right, so I have one. Also, I have. Can you continue telling me your name, please?
My name is Zappa.
Okay, your name is. Can you repeat?
Zappa.
Okay. How can I call you? I'll do my best, okay? Alright, good, thank you. And I also have Viet, huh? Hello, Henry. Oh, I can call you Henry.
Yeah, hello teacher. My name is Hùng.
Henry.
You can call me Henry.
Henry, okay, nice, Henry. Thank you. And I also have Queen. Yes, is that correct?
Yes, that's true, teacher.
Okay, good. Queen. All right, guys. Okay, so I'm so sorry, I will have some problems with some of their names. I'm very sorry about that, but I'll do my best, okay? So meanwhile, you can call me Sunny, okay? My name is Sunny. Right? Okay, guys, so let's start our lesson of today. And the first thing that I want you to look at is this picture. Okay, what can you see, Henry, in this picture?
I see a sand cloud and a lot of money.
A lot of money. And what is? How can you relate these two images?
Time is money.
Okay, time is money. Okay, good. That's a good one. All right, good. Good. What about you, Mr. One? What do you think about this picture?
This picture is about time management.
Time management. Okay, good. It's about time management. Okay, good. That's a good option too. What about you, Queen? How can you relate these two images?
I think time is very important. So
Okay,
they
time is very
yes, compare the time with money.
Okay, good, nice. Okay, and Viet Hon, what do you think?
Yeah, I think is time is expensive and sometimes it's a priceless.
Okay, time is expensive as well. Okay, good. Let me see somebody else in here. Let me see, just let me check. Okay, Anne, what about you? And Hon, what do you think about this image?
This image, I can I think time is precious.
Time is precious. Okay, yes, okay, it's another way of saying yes, that's good. Okay, thanks for sharing. So today we're going to talk about time management. Okay, and we're going to talk about the fact of being incredible. We're going to talk, we're going to speak. This is the skill that we're going to be practicing today, speaking. We're going to discuss time management and timetable, okay, in a different way. Okay, so in here you can see two people. Yes, Mr. Hon, what's the problem with these two people? What do you see?
I think these people has too much work and they may not able to manage the work properly, and it's pilots, so they were stressful.
Okay, have you ever been in this position to be like under too much pressure?
Yeah, is it too much pressure? Yeah, under too much pressure.
Okay, so
Yeah.
what do you do when this happens to you?
Yeah, if it's happened to me, I could ask someone to help, or I will delegate this work for some other colleagues.
Mhm. Okay, good. That's nice. Delegate is a nice option. Thank you. Okay, what about you, and Han? If you're under pressure, what do you do?
Um, if I am under pressure, here, I will I will review all my tasks and then um, distinguish my task by using time management matches. Yeah, with the task that is not urgent, I can schedule it.
Okay, good. Okay, nice. All right. What about, thank you, and Han? What about you, Viet Han? What do you think?
Yeah, when I have too much pressure, it will make me tired, and it will make me very difficult to balance my life with my work, and and to
And
uh, and to do it, I think I need to schedule my job.
alright. Yes, schedule your job. Good. Okay, good. That's nice. Okay, and scheduling is a good option too. What about you, Queen? When you are under this too much pressure, what do you do?
Yes, maybe I will management the time and more
Mm-hmm.
discipline. Um,
Mm-hmm.
I will organize the job and
Mm-hmm.
make the to-do list and finish it.
Mm-hmm. Okay, good. All right, time management, a to-do list, and finish it. Okay, and Henry, last but not least, what do you think?
Yeah, I think when I pressure, I think maybe you lead and you just need a few relax, and after that you can get more motivation to get work effectively.
Okay, good. Okay, to work effectively. Very good. Good ideas, okay, about this. And actually, it's very much related to our topic of today. How do we manage our time efficiently? Is what we're going to study today. And your ideas were very nice and got to the point because this is what we're going to be talking about. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to use vocabulary to talk about time management, use the Eisenhower matrix to organize your task, and discuss time management using the Eisenhower matrix. Okay, so let's see and let's talk about this matrix. Okay, so this is the Eisenhower matrix. And as you can see, we have some important themes and some urgent themes. So if we evaluate the matrix, we have something which we have to do first, okay, and then we have others, okay, that are not that urgent but are also important. So let's take the words, okay, from here and let's fill in the blank with the right words. Okay, let's read. Have your time for reading and fill in the blanks, please.
No. Constant. Needs to be done immediately. schedule activity with a set instruction.
Okay, so let's see. If you have to complete, okay, that box, how would you complete it? Let's start with you, Anne Han. Could you please tell me for number 0, which one would you select?
Urgent.
I select immediate.
Immediate, clear deadlines and immediate. Okay, good, nice. Any other option, Henry?
Clean this time and mm, yeah, I think immediately.
Okay, all right. So what about you, Queen? What do you think about 0?
There is a thing that's consequence.
Consequences, okay? Consequences, yeah. So I also think so. Clear deadline and consequences, okay? Clear deadline and consequences, okay? So number 1, Mr. 1. Need to be done.
Sorry. Immediate.
Maybe immediately, okay? Maybe immediately, okay? Not immediate, but immediately, okay? So that is the correct word, okay? Needs to be done immediately. Okay, good, nice. Okay, what about number 2? Let me see. Viet Hon, number 2.
Number 2, I think, is schedule.
Okay, number 2 is schedule. Yes, well done. Okay, schedule it. Okay, schedule it. What about number 3? Thank you, Queen.
Yes, activity with a set deadline.
Deadline, okay, with a set deadline. Okay, should be planned carefully. What about number 4? And Han?
Number 4. Number 4 is delegated.
Delegate. Okay, delegate. Okay, very good. Number 5, Henry?
Yeah, number 5. Do not need your skill.
Okay, urgent, do not need your skills. Okay, so we can delegate. Okay, what about 6? Let me see. Henry told me. What about you, Mr. Ha?
Related.
Okay, so we have, again, can you repeat? Delay or distractions?
Delete.
Okay, delete. Okay, delete, do it later. Time wasting activities. And the last one, which is distraction. So, as you can see, these are the characteristics of the Eisenhower matrix. So, the first and the most important thing is to do it first. So, we need to clear our deadlines and figure out the consequences, okay, of our work if we don't finish, okay, in the prompt time. Need to be done immediately, okay, because if it's urgent, it means that we have to do it very fast. And schedule it. Activities with a set of deadline should be planned carefully. If you schedule, it will be easier and you get less stressed. Delegate it, okay? So somebody mentioned it at the beginning. So we have to delegate and separate what is urgent and important. And if there is somebody else for doing it, so we can delegate. Do not need your skills. Somebody else can do it, right? Number 6, delete. Do it later, okay? Maybe there are some activities that are important but not urgent, so we can do it later. So because they can cause distractions, all right? So let's work on this, okay? Eisenhower matrix, what is important and urgent. Let's separate this and let's try. Okay, let's here you have some examples of do it first. Having problems with suppliers, for example. So this is something that needs our attention. A schedule planning for a new product. Okay, so we can schedule this. Delegate preparing a meal, for example. This is something that somebody else can do. All right, and delete watching TV. So this is something that we can do later, right? So these are examples, so you can have a clearer idea of what this matrix is. Okay. So choose the suitable block for each task. Now that we have the characteristic of each one, do it first, schedule it, delegate, delete, or do it later, so we can classify. Could you please read and hunt the characteristic and tell me what is the suitable block for this task for number 1? Read it first, please, and then tell me.
Yeah, you need to think. You need to think of a catchy slogan for a new product. It is going to be introduced in the next 3 months. I think it's B, schedule.
B, all right. So in the next 3 months, yes, it's not urgent. So I think I agree with you. So you can schedule it. Okay, very good. All right. So now I will give you some time so you can read number 2, 3, and 4, everybody, please. And after 1 minute, okay, I will call you and you will tell me the other options. Okay, so let's try Henry, number 2.
Yeah, number 2. Your factory does have enough material. You need to find a new supplier or the production will be interrupted tomorrow. So I think it is urgent and it's in number 8.
Okay, it's urgent, so you need to do it first. Okay, so letter A. Okay, what about you, Queen? Number 3, please.
Yes, one of your employees feel that the company logo is not too friendly. He thinks that you should change it, and I think it's D, delete or
D. Okay.
do not do it later.
D. I'll do it later, okay? So it's not that important, so it can wait a little, so we can do it later. Good. And the last one, Viet Con, can you read it, please?
Some customers send emails to ask for details about your new product, but you are really busy with other tasks. I think it's easy.
Okay, so you delegate it, okay, because it doesn't need your presence. Somebody else can do it, okay? So be careful, guys, with the pronunciation of the word product. Okay? So you make emphasis on the first syllable. The stress goes on the first syllable. Product. Okay? And here, also be careful with this production. Okay, good. All right, guys. So as you could see, we have the matrix is clear. Now it's better. Okay, so we have some important tasks that we have to do first, later, and in third place. So let's evaluate some of the schedules and then let's compare and have some example with yours. First, let me introduce Johnson. Johnson is a professor at Radford University. He has a schedule for Monday and he has some tasks. In the morning, he make classroom decorations. In the afternoon, he has two lectures, and he needs to review teaching materials. And in the evening, he needs to attend a wedding anniversary dinner. Okay, so these are the tasks. Okay, review teaching materials, detail reviewing teaching material for an important lecture today, and deadline before the lecture, of course. Task B, decorate the classroom, detail, put up decorations in the classroom for Christmas in 3 months, deadline before Christmas. And task C, new course outline, create an outline for the new course in the next 2 semesters. So EOD Monday, so end of the business day is Monday. So do you agree with his schedule? So these are task A, task B, and task C, and this is his organization. Do you agree or disagree? If you agree, you can say you have a point there. That's a good point. I couldn't agree more with his schedule. Partly agree. I see your point, but that's partly true, but I'm not sure about that. And disagree. I don't think so. I beg to differ, but that's not always true. So, a Queen, do you agree with Mr. Johnson JK schedule?
Uh, that's good point.
Uh-huh. And do you think it is a good way?
Yes, I think so.
Over. You think so? Okay. So, Henry, do you agree with Queen? She thinks it's a good schedule. What do you think?
Yeah, in my opinions, I don't think so.
Why?
Because the task decorates the classroom, he's do it in the morning, the first day. But this task you can do it in later,
Okay,
tomorrow,
yeah.
and more days after that.
Okay, all right. Which would you think is the most important task for Mondays?
Yeah, I think the important task in Monday is new course outline. We need to do it first because this night is end of the day Monday.
Alo ạ?
Okay, good. So, Mr. Hunt, do you agree with Henry? He says that main classroom decoration is not urgent. So, what do you think?
Yeah.
Tây Ban Nha á?
Um,
Chị chưa check cơ.
I agree with him on the
Đi đi Tây Ban Nha. Có lúc nào nhà
decoration
mình đi
should
Tây Ban Nha
be
chưa nhỉ?
put it later or maybe can
À sang châu Âu á.
someday
Tự dưng đầu chị
some
từ từ
other
em
days.
loát xem cái
So
lô nào
the
đi châu Âu
the
gần đây mà đi
I
em.
don't I don't agree with him for the task that he need to for the new course
Xong
outline.
đây nhá,
He
xong
also
rồi
can
em
do it
mở cái
later.
OneDrive em check cái
Maybe
lô đấy xem chi phí bao nhiêu là xong.
Because this is not just really
Có
important.
có hết mà.
It's important, but it's not
Nhưng mà phải
urgent
xem lô nào đi châu Âu
because
tự dưng chị chả
it's for
nhớ.
the next years. And I think the most
Lô Floral
important
concept là đi
task
Mỹ
he
chứ nhỉ?
needs to do is to review the teaching material before
Đấy.
the class, so it's to be done in the morning instead of the afternoon.
Okay, of course. Okay, good. Nice point. Let me see. And do you agree with Mr. Hunt? And Hunt.
Yeah, I agree with Mr. Huang because I also think Mr. Johnson should focus should do reviewing teaching material first because it's hard to